everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we're working with Asteria hair. They sent me over this hairline. I can't get over the hairline, y'all. But they sent me over this 13x4 frontal with this amazing hairline. It already came hot comb back. All I had to do was cut the extra lace off. It's a full head of hair, y'all. But if you want to see all the details on this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right over here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video. All right, you guys, we're back and we got Asteria hair. The wig comes in your plastic bag like this. You also get a little baby hair brush, wig caps, melting band, of course, your storage bag. You guys need these. These are very important for storing your wigs. If it's a question of my love, you got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Yeah, boy, you, yeah. All right, you guys, so here is the wig. This is a thick, curly number. Very thick. I'll have the description to this wig right below because I can't remember it off the top, but very thick. I'm going to tell y'all off top, this wig is very thick, okay? But the ends look really, really good, nice and healthy. It is a 13x4. Look at the... Okay, let's get into the lace, y'all.
I think for you.
Yes, it does. Take it off now. Okay, so this hairline is crazy. It's perfect, y'all. Absolutely perfect. So yes, we're installing this 13x4. Let's get into the inside. Lots of parting, lots and lots of parting. I still can't believe how this shit is melted. It already look, why does this already look melted? This looks melted to me. All right, so on the inside, you do have your combs on the left and right. You have your adjustable elastic band, some extra lace here at the bottom, and adjustable straps on the side as well. The knots are bleached. This looks like a freaking melt. Okay, hold on. Okay, when I get out of here though, I keep telling you, you're too loud. Even this little bit of noise that you're making is too loud of noise in here. Just go in your room and do that so you're just across the way, okay? So I went ahead and put some foundation on the lace. I did cut off that extra piece of lace that was at the bottom. It's looking really good. These curls are crazy, crazy thick. I'm very, very excited about it. The hair smells like wig hair. The curls are really, really soft and thick. Very thick. It just feels like really good hair. Honestly, really good, thick, healthy, curly hair. I'm gonna use some of my Even spray, and then I might use some of my Got to Be, like, I don't know. I don't know. But and then I'm gonna throw some water, and I might use some of this leave-in conditioner. But we're gonna put this on, we're gonna lay it down, and we're gonna style it, and then I'm gonna come back and give you guys my final thoughts. So I just detangled the hair. It's still wet right now. I'm just gonna blow dry it a little bit and then let the rest air dry. And then I'm gonna come back. But I just wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like wet and detangled. I just used my wide tooth comb. I still have it melting right now. So yeah, the hair is like, I wanna say like 85% dry. I went ahead and put the conditioner in there. This conditioner, use this to lay the wig and a little bit of water. And then I did put a little bit of oil in just to add a little bit of like shine, a little sheen. But the hair turned out really, really cute. I still got a whole bunch of hair in the back. Actually, let me just go ahead and show you guys what the back looks like real quick before I take this melting band off. So yes, it looks really, really nice. Let's go ahead and take this edge band off. Ugh. Oh, it looks so good. It's a little crusty on the sides, but let's go ahead and put some powder on that. This hairline looks so good off rip, y'all. And I didn't even have to hot comb it. I did not have to hot comb this hair. When the wig comes already brushed and hot combed back like this, I live. Yes, hunty. I'm not putting no baby hairs on here. The more curls you have, the more love you have in your heart, I'm sure. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, no, these curls are so good. I love it so much. This wig was plucked to perfection, okay? This wig was absolutely plucked to perfection. This hairline to perfection. The melt, I didn't even have the melting band on for an hour. I had it on for maybe like 30 minutes and it's melted. Flat, curls, bouncy, healthy curls, healthy hair, healthy mom and dad. Yes. They gifted me this type of hair. Yeah, that's what it's giving. Again, I will have all the information to this wig from Asteria Hair in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. I will have the direct link as well. This wig, I believe, is 22 inches. Just as a reference, I'm 5'7". If that helps y'all, it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And this was an easy frontal to lay. And it came nice and big, so I didn't have no problems on the ear tabs. Honestly, I have no complaints about this hair. Make sure you guys go grab you one if you're looking for a nice, thick, curly unit. It was really, really easy to detangle, especially with curls like this. It was no problem at all. Very, very minimal shedding. So anyway, I highly recommend. Yes, where the girls go? Puerto Rico, San Pedro. Why can't I think of any of the places right now? Anyway, but yes, this is giving exotic vacation hair. This is the type of wig that makes you just wish a bitch would all the time. This is what this wig does to me. It just makes me wish upon a star that somebody would try anything at all. Anyway, thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all. And I will see you in the next video. Also, look out. I'm going to be posting a vlog soon. I'm going to just start vlogging more. I'm trying to prepare for Vlogmas. You know, December is coming up. I'm trying to get in rotation for vlogging. I'm going to turn into a little vlog baddie. Yeah, again. And hopefully I'll get used to it and just be regular old me, just blogging all the time. Anyway, love y'all. See you in the next one.